Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the beautiful Peridot in Dallas, Texas. The beautiful Peridot high-rise in Dallas, Texas. And this is a place that we've filmed before when it first opened up about a year and a half ago. We loved it, filmed it. It was just opening up. The amenities haven't even finished. And we went and filmed it. It was great. We loved what we had. Well, we're gonna get some more footage. It's just been too long. We love this place. It's gorgeous. It's getting some great reviews. So we want to give you some updated footage. We've got a new camera we're going to film with too. It's going to give you some better amenities filming and a better apartment filming. So we're going to do that right now. I think you're going to love what you see. The Peridot is a great location here in downtown Dallas. It's walkable. It's in the Santander building, by the way. So there is office activity that happens with that. But there's also things that you can walk to. It's a really fun area to be in. A lot of walkability here at the Peridot because it's integrated in with other nice things that are here in the area. So we're gonna go ahead and film that right now. We're gonna probably create about 12 videos and just watch the videos, check them out. You can skip around, but they'll be short and to the point. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And of course, if you want to tour the Peridot or any other luxury apartment in Dallas, send me a text. I'll set up virtual tours, live tours, and it's always 100% free. So let's take care of that right now and do some filming.